Hi everyone, Sean Gilliam here with Location Real Estate. Hope you're doing well. Welcome to another episode of my monthly market update. We're going to be taking a look at the latest data and see how the numbers are trending here in Northern Colorado. It'll be another record-breaking month with average sales prices going up, especially in Boulder County. I'll also have some other helpful information for you, so stay tuned. We'll take a look at the numbers. All right, let's take a look here. We'll start with Boulder County. Again, the latest data is from the month of April. And no surprise here, it is the spring. The market is, this is the spring market, so we're hoping to see an indication of more listings coming on the market, but still below what we'd hope. But there's new listings, about 34.6% above April of last year. April of last year, it's important for you to know, is that that's when COVID really hit, and that's when the real estate market was essentially shut down. And so that's why these numbers look impressive, but in fact, they really aren't. We normally should have had higher listings, new listings and pending sales and all that April of last year, but didn't because of COVID-19. So, but this year we're starting to see more inventory come on the market, and commensurate with that is more pending sales and more closed sales. But here's the real kicker, the real record setter, is our median sales price for Boulder County. This is not for the city of Boulder, where we would expect to see high dollar amounts. But the median sales price in Boulder County is $860,000. That's up almost 46% from April of last year. And the average sales price is $1,168,000, and that's up almost 70% from last year. So most of those sales, $1 million and over, are occurring in Boulder itself. No surprise. Some Lafayette, some Louisville sales. But again, most of them are occurring in Boulder, which already has a high average sales price for homes over $1 million. I think it's 1.4 million. So percent of list price received, 104.4%. So on average, homes are selling for 104.4% of their original list price. And then inventory of homes for sale is still low. Last year at this time, 611, but this year 232. And month supply of inventory is 0.7 months, and that's down 65% from April of 2020. So record high sales and record low inventory. So the story continues. Now we'll take a look at Larimer County for similar numbers. As you can see here, average sales price is $542,000. That's up 8.5%. Median sales price is at about $482,000, and that's up almost 11%. Homes on average are selling at about 102.9, so almost 103% of their original list price. And that's indicative of the fact that homes are selling for well over list price in individual sales that I've seen, 10, 20, 30,000, sometimes a lot more than that. So that continues to be the case. Inventory is super low. So here we are in April, 324 homes on the market. That's down almost 69% from last year at this time, when there was about 1,039 homes on the market in Larimer County. Month supply of inventory is 0.6, and that's down almost 74% from last year at this time. And then Weld County, similar numbers. Looking at the average or the median and average sales prices there, it's up 13% for $438,000 for the median sales price, up almost 18% for the average sales price at $481,000. And then homes, of course, in Weld County are selling above list price as well, at about almost 102% of the initial list price. And then inventory, again, is incredibly low. So it's down 64.1%. There are 384 homes in the market, or were in April, in Weld County, compared to 1,069 a year ago. And then, of course, the month supply of inventory is low as well. That's down 70% at 0.6. So we are seeing the continued trend of low inventory and high demand. You know, I've been involved in repeated transactions where buyers have to come in over list price. We're seeing appraisal gaps or waiving the appraisal altogether. People are having to bring cash to the table, significant amounts, and there's no shortage of buyers out there that have it. So that's what's pushing this market, is you've got low supply and high demand. And then, of course, sellers are not selling as much as they normally would. And there's reasons for that. I think COVID-19 is one of them. I think a lot of people are hunkering down and seeing what's going to happen with the economy. And then some people probably want to wait and see if they can even buy a house if they were to sell their house. So there's different reasons for why the inventory is low. And then, of course, new construction is low as well. I think the cost of lumber has put a setback on that. And so I think we're not seeing new construction coming out as much as we'd like to help satisfy that demand. So we'll see how the year pans out. But for right now, it's the same story. Intense demand, intensely high demand, and low inventory. Now, one thing I wanted to encourage you to think about is that we are in that season now where your county assessor will send out information on your property taxes. If you get one and it seems exorbitantly high, please get in touch. I'd be glad to send you some comps and help you to fight against that. In this market, you never know. It's worth a shot. But I'll definitely be able to pull some comps for you and help you in challenging the assessor's value of your home. And maybe you'll get a break and get your property taxes lowered. So get in touch with me if you are in a situation like that, and I'd be glad to help you. Otherwise, if you're ready to buy a home, let's talk. I have good lenders that you can work with. I have my buyer guide and other helpful information to kind of give you that step-by-step process in buying a home. And I'll get you in the best situation possible so that we can write some strong offers and get you in the house that you're looking for. On the seller side of thing, if you're ready to sell a home or thinking about doing that sometime this year, be glad to talk with you, visit you at your house and give you some ideas and things you can do to get your home in show-ready condition. And then also show you comps and give you an idea of what your home might be worth and what you can get for it. So again, get in touch. I'd be glad to help you. You can reach me here at 970-313-6706 or send me an email with that contact information that you'll see at the end of the video. I look forward to working with you soon. Take care.